My name's Catherine Kreis, and what brought me to LegalMatch was a situation that came up after something that I thought was taken care of over the years with my father. I ended up being sued for and had no idea that this was even an issue, and turned around after almost a year and a half. The company turned around and sued me, and my father's passed now, so this was just a surprise. Well, at first I was going to try to do it on my own, but I was given suggestions that it would be best for me to find legal aid. And so I did a search online for legal help and found LegalMatch. And I just thought, well, why not try? I'm in Maryland, and the whole situation that I'm going through is in Pennsylvania. So it was hard because I'm not going to get somebody in Maryland to deal with what's going on in Pennsylvania. And so I just did a search. I threw everything out on my intake information, and I wanted to see what happened. It must have been about 15 minutes after I put my information out. I had 2 or 3 attorneys reach out to me, and the one who I chose to go with was actually a lawyer for the exact case that I had. He did everything that was involved. Every time I reached out to somebody, they don't deal with it. This is too involved. But my subject in this civil case is what he predominantly worked on. I just did a search online for legal help. Oh, he made me feel comfortable. 1, that he reached out to me immediately. 2, he had the credentials that I was looking for. 3, his contact to me immediately, called me immediately. Just his demeanor, the way he spoke to me and calmed me down, told me that things were going to be okay, that he was going to take my case, talked about financial situation and all that, and that he was right then and there was willing to take my case, where everybody else decided. Everybody was telling me that they couldn't do it and it was too involved. And so he helped me calm down. He told me to take a breather. Everything was going to be all right, and to enjoy my weekend. I would say the fact that he was so quick in his response, and the fact that our communication was on the phone. It wasn't through emails. And I mean, yes, we do have emails going on, but the immediate contact was over the phone. It was more personal. Just the outcome, the fact that what I put out there is that I did get numerous attorneys to react to my case, but there were those attorneys who did want to work with me, and I felt like I had somebody behind me. And everywhere else I looked, like I said, nobody wanted to help. All I can say is that with the amount of stress I had with everything that just was thrown at me, I didn't know what I was doing. I was so stressed out and just was so beside myself, in tears. At least there, I could put my LegalMatch, I could put my situation out there, and I had numerous attorneys respond. And after speaking to a couple of them, the one that I went with he just gave me that feeling that everything was going to be okay. And just to have the lawyer who I have give me peace, knowing that he has the background of what I needed, and tell me that things are going to be okay. I trust him 100%. He worked with me financially, and I'm so happy that I chose to go this direction. I would definitely recommend it to anybody. Definitely. I would tell them to do it. Absolutely. You can search for lawyers around the area, and it's a long process. And if you can go through it, you can pick somebody. You have to go through everything over and over and over again, only to hear no. And here you put everything out. If they're interested, they're going to contact you. Attorneys are going to contact you.